Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to find hidden movies on Netflix and also hidden TV shows. So with Netflix, they've actually got an algorithm, and what it does, it actually suggests videos to you on your home screen based on your previous watching experiences. So if you watch, for example, a lot of uh, documentaries like nature documentaries, it's going to suggest a lot of nature documentaries, but it's not actually going to suggest everything that is available on Netflix. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to access a ton more videos. You can use either or both of the methods, or what you can. So you can use either of the methods, or if you actually combine them both together, you're going to get a ton of movies and TV shows available. And if you do find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first way to do this is if I open up a internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to a website called netflixcodes.net. So basically this is a bunch of codes, secret codes, and what you can do is actually click on any one of them, and it's going to take you to certain categories of Netflix movies. So you can see we've got main categories like action and adventure, and then there's subcategories within that such as comic book and superhero movies. Then you've got like action comedy, etc., etc. So if I wanted to choose any of these, what I need to do is literally click the code next to it. So all I need to do is just find a category that I want to watch. So for example, I'm going to go for historical TV documentaries down here, and you'll see there's a code next to the category which is highlighted. All I need to do is give that a click, and what's going to happen, that's going to take me straight through to Netflix, and you'll see it says here at the top historical TV documentaries. We can do that again for any of these. So children and family movies, again, just click the number, the code next to it. And that's going to take you straight to Netflix, and it's going to bring up all the children and family films. So you'll find a lot of movies there that don't actually come up on your suggested Netflix videos because it could be, as I say, they're based on your previous watching experiences. So that's the first method. Now, the second method is actually to use something called a VPN. And basically what it does, it virtually changes your location. So the one I recommend and have been using for the past few years is VPN City. And what I'll do is leave a link in the description down below, in the video description. And what you're going to do is if you go ahead and click that, you're going to come across to a page that looks like this. And the first thing you need to do is click on to get started, this red box down here, and basically register for the service. Once you're registered, what you're then going to do is come to vpncity.com and go ahead and log into your account. And then what you want to do is just download the relevant application. So once you log in, you'll be taken to a page like this. And if you scroll down, you've got a number of apps available to download. So if you're on like a Windows PC or laptop, you would click onto this one. If you're using a MacBook, it would be this one. They've also got ones for Android and iPhone, and also some extensions for Chrome and Firefox. So just go ahead and choose the one you want to download, and then you just click to download and install that relevant application. So in this example, I've actually got the Windows app downloaded and installed. And what this basically does, it virtually changes your location. So because I'm in the UK, if I come across to my Netflix, basically this is the UK version of Netflix. So you can see all these shows are ones that are shown in the UK. But if you want access to more shows, you've got shows on, for example, the American Netflix, which wouldn't be shown on any other version of Netflix. So if I scroll down, you can see this says top 10 in the UK today, and this is all the programs available, the top 10 in the UK. But what you can do once you've downloaded that VPN is if you go ahead and open up the program. So VPN City, I'm just going to open that up. So we've got that open, and what's going to happen the first time is it's going to ask you to log into your account, and once you're logged in you'll have a screen like this, and all you need to do is simply select the country from the drop down list from the list here. You can browse through by moving the bar, or what you can do is search for a location in particular by typing that into the box at the top. So for example, if I wanted to watch the American Netflix, I would type America. I would type United States, and it's going to come up with a list of United States servers, and all I'm going to do is select one of these. And you can see the active location is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And then all I'm going to do is click this button here which says click to connect, this big blue button. And so you can see I'm now connected. This has changed to green to show I'm connected. It says you're connected and secure, and it's got my connection time down here. So if I actually minimize this and I come back to Netflix, you'll see it's top 10 in the UK. But if I actually go ahead and refresh the page now, what's going to happen? It's actually going to trick Netflix into thinking I'm in America. So you'll see when this loads through that all the programs now coming up. This is now the American version of Netflix, which I'm on. And we can confirm this because if we scroll down, you'll see the top 10 has now changed now, and it says top 10 in the US today instead of UK. And you've got a number of different countries you can do this for. You could do it for like anywhere in Europe. You could do it for like Japan. As I say, you've got a ton of countries from the list. You just scroll down and choose which one you want to connect to. So that's the two ways. As I say, you can use either of those methods, but the best way is if you actually combine the two methods, you'll get a ton of movies and TV shows you'll get access to. If you found that helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to check out that VPN. I'll leave a link, as I say, in the video description down below. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description as well. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.